Ciao, welcome to Vasto, a hidden gem nestled along the picturesque coast of Abruzzo. This charming coastal town boasts a combination of breathtaking beaches and a rich historic center, creating an enchanting destination for travelers seeking both relaxation and cultural exploration. Together, we will dive into the allure of Vasto's stunning beaches and delve into the fascinating sights found within its historic center. As you arrive in Vasto, you will be greeted by an awe-inspiring sight: the pristine beaches that stretch as far as the eye can see. The golden sandy shores invite you to unwind and soak up the sun's warm embrace. Whether you prefer lounging on a beach chair, building sandcastles with your family, or taking refreshing dips in the azure waters, Vasto's beaches offer something for everyone. The coastline is meticulously maintained, ensuring cleanliness and comfort for beachgoers. As you stroll along the shore, you'll also encounter vibrant beachfront promenades, adorned with colorful umbrellas and bustling with activity. Leaving the sandy shores behind, venture into Vasto's historic center, where a world of history and charm awaits. The heart of the old town is dominated by the magnificent Cathedral of San Giuseppe, an architectural masterpiece that has stood the test of time. Its towering spires and intricate facade are a testament to Vasto's rich cultural heritage. As you wander through the narrow streets that wind their way through the center, you'll discover a treasure trove of hidden gems. The ancient buildings, adorned with ornate balconies and flower-filled windowsills, create a postcard-perfect atmosphere. Pause for a moment at one of the inviting cafes, where you can savor a cup of Italian espresso and soak in the ambience of this enchanting place. Immerse yourself in Vasto's cultural offerings by visiting the Museo Civico Palazzo d'Avalos. Housed in an impressive 16th-century palace, this museum showcases a fascinating collection of art and artifacts, providing a glimpse into the town's past. For a truly authentic experience, explore the local markets that line the streets, offering an array of fresh produce, artisanal crafts, and traditional delicacies. Engage in conversations with the friendly locals and discover the warmth and hospitality that define the people of Vasto. Vasto, with its stunning beaches and historic center, is a coastal gem that captivates the hearts of all who visit. From the glistening shores and lively beachfront promenades to the narrow streets and architectural wonders of the old town, this destination offers a harmonious blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. Whether you seek relaxation, cultural exploration, or simply a glimpse into authentic Italian coastal life, Vasto is sure to leave an indelible impression. So, pack your bags and embark on a journey to Vasto, where sun-soaked days and captivating history await you. Well, this journey has come to an end, my friends. Thank you for joining me through this captivating story of Vasto. Please don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to my channel. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below and let us know where you'd like to see next. Until next time, thank you for taking this journey with me throughout all of Italy and Sicily. I pray you have a great day. Ciao.